Cooey, hello. How we doing? I'll just have a quick drink. So you've seen me many a time in this position at the table on time-lapse videos doing healing sessions. But today, with regards to the last development video I did about clairsentience and claircognizance, I thought I touched on dowsing a little bit, so I thought I'd do a quick dowsing video. And basically, you can use anything basically as a pendulum, as long as you can use a coin, you can use a necklace, as long as it's got a weight on the end. And basically, what's happening is the energy is being transported through your arm and into the pendulum. And you need to try and keep your hand and your arm as still as possible. I know it's not easy, and your arm will move, but it's okay. I mean, if the pendulum moves, the pendulum moves. But if it changes direction slightly, then just be aware of it. But the main thing that we need to be aware of is the answers. So we want a sign for yes, please. So it's going round and round. And now we want a sign for no, please. And it's going left and right. So now we have kind of a baseline for answers. So we can ask whatever question we want, and the answer will either be a yes or a no. It's that simple. Some people use maybes and all that stuff. I don't bother. I just want yes or no. That's the only answers I want. So we can ask something along, is my name Ian? And it already started to change before I even got the question fully out. I could see that it was starting to change. Am I on planet Earth? Can you make this a little bit stronger, please? So the energy is building up a little bit more now, becoming a little bit stronger. So the point of this is, when you start to dowse, and you dowse more regularly, and if you use dowsing on a regular basis with regards to questions that you may have, that you want to maybe connect to your intuition with, connect to your energy with, connect to your higher self with, then using dowsing is a great way to connect to that. You can also use the rods. I don't have any rods, I just use the pendulum. And when you start doing that for a long period of time, and you get more adept at it, and you become more relaxed at it, and sometimes you might be aware that you've moved the pendulum by mistake, so you can just try and steady your arm a little bit more. But you need the energy flow through you to go into the pendulum. And it's all about basically the power of the mind, and the connection of the energy. And the thing is, what you find interesting when you go further down your development road is you will get to a point where you already know the answer before the pendulum gives you the answer, because you have all the answers anyway through your higher self, through your inner knowing, your intuition. Sometimes we just like a bit of clarification through the art of dowsing. So this claircognizance, this knowing, can become a lot stronger when we start to use dowsing within our practice. And it's a great tool for just asking questions, for that sort of divination, just to find the answers to that you might feel a little bit lost with. You might just want some information with regards to things you want to do in life. It might be questions about you, it might be questions about yourself, it might be questions about your future. Are you going to move house? Are you going, all sorts of different questions you can ask, and whatever will be, and the answers will come through. Sometimes it might not be clear, sometimes it might not be a yes or no, it might just stop, or it might just swing in a different way, and you know, if it does that, then sometimes you might need to make your question more clear, that you want to ask the Dows, the pendulum. But that's kind of how I mean, I use dowsing mainly for Reiki, and sometimes for asking questions during Reiki sessions. But usually I'll do the dowsing to ask which of the chakras need attention, need extra energy, need some crystals adding to the energy to assist with the healing. I'll also ask if I should use crystals, and I will get a yes or no. I'll ask if all my energy, if the protection is up, I'll get a yes or a no. If it's not up, then I'll double my protection up, or I will ask for protection from whoever I feel. It might be Archangel Michael, it might just be my guides. I know when my guides are near, and that's what I will do. So it's a great way to ask questions, to find things out, but it's also a great tool to help your development of your claircognizant ability, because you will get to a point where you find you already know the answer before the Dows starts to change direction or move in the way of the yes or the no. Okay, so I hope this is a little bit of information with regards to dowsing, and I hope it helps you on your journey moving forward. Okie dokie, much love, take care, bye for now.